Okay, this is number 57 on page 131. You have 3 minus the square root of negative 5 times 1 plus the square root of negative 1. So the first thing I want to do here is take out my imaginary. So I get 3 minus I root 5. Okay, so I took the imaginary, so the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 5 equals I times the square root of 5. So I took the imaginary part out of my square root. And then I have 1 plus, now the square root of negative 1 right here, that is I. So I have 1 plus I. Okay, now I'm multiplying, so I'm going to FOIL. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times I is plus 3I. 1 times negative I root 5 is minus I root 5. And then negative I root 5 times I is negative I squared square root of 5. Okay, so this part right here turns into a positive 1 times the square root of 5. So you have 3 plus root 5, that's the real part of your imaginary, of your complex number, plus this is 3I minus I root 5. Okay, so I can factor the I out of that. I have I times 3 minus root 5. And then I want to write it the other way so it's kind of in standard form. So I have 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 times I. And now we can't combine those two because this one is connected to an I, so they're not like terms. So this is your answer.